Rasam, a blend of tomatoes, tamarind paste, and crushed pepper, usually consumed as an appetizer as it aids in digestion, but leaves a lasting impression on your taste buds. Sambar, a lentil stew filled with plethora of vegetables. It is full of fibers and high in minerals like zinc, iron, and magnesium. There are different variations of sambar in the south, but the Kerala style sambar is thick, spicy, and has more vegetables. Cherry Paruppu curry, a delicious moong dal curry made with coconut and curry leaves. It is packed with protein and is low on carbs. It is best enjoyed when seasoned with coconut oil and when served with ghee. Avial. Well, want some vegetables? Have some avial. A dish crammed with 13 types of vegetables, and it is rich in vitamin C, phosphorus, and various other minerals. It is said that avial was invented by the great Bhima. No wonder it's packed with so many ingredients. Cabbage thoran, fine chopped cabbage cooked in coconut oil along with grated coconut, shallots, and curry leaves. It is a delicacy enjoyed in all of Kerala and is easy to make. Vendaka Khichdi, a raita made of okra, curry leaves, and of course, yogurt. It is a classical side dish in Kerala and is my personal favorite. The same ingredients can also be used for a dish called as Pavekya Khichdi, but instead of using okra, we use bitter gourd. Olan, a creamy dish prepared with ash gourd and black-eyed beans. It is rich in coconut milk. It has high amounts of vitamin A, B, C and improves your blood circulation. Enough of veggies, let's sink our teeth into some chicken. Kurumulukku chicken, also known as pepper chicken, is a spicy preparation. The majority of spiciness of this dish is derived from black pepper, which is better than chili powder as it has many medicinal values. Other than black pepper, the other ingredients which give that zing to the dish are curry leaves and a lot of coconut oil. Inji curry, a unique fried ginger based dish which gets its tint from jaggery. The sweet tint is very unique and ginger also helps in digestion. It is a combination of pepper, mustard, fenugreek, asafoetida, cumin, curry leaves and various other ingredients. Matta rice, an indigenous variety of rice grown in Palakkad district of Kerala. Malabar parota, a layered Indian flatbread made with all-purpose flour and semolina. Palada paisam, it is a common sweet delicacy prepared in almost all Kerala households. It is a lovely symphony of rice ada, milk, sugar as its main ingredients. It is later on seasoned with ghee, cashew nuts and raisins, which is roasted with the ghee. Paruppu paisam. This showstopper's main ingredients are moong dal, jaggery and cashew. This dish is made by melting a lot of jaggery, but the most intriguing ingredient is dry ginger, which packs a punch in terms of flavor. The secret to a good cherry paruppu paisam lies in its stirring, so stir it well. Sambharam, buttermilk seasoned with ginger, chilies and curry leaves. The thali can be accompanied by upperi, which is banana chips, sharkara variety, which is banana chips coated in jaggery, and param, which is bananas. So friends, this is the Kerala thali. Enjoy it in its full glory. So folks, how was the food? Really right? Well, it should be, as Kerala is God's own country. But if I had to summarize the whole cuisine in a single word, I would go for simplicity. Because we Keralites do it simple, eat the mark. In this case, the palate. Thank you for this opportunity and have a safe day.